In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Excel to analyze data and create charts. Before you start asking questions in plain English, take a moment to prepare your data. Copilot works best when your worksheet is clean and structured. Make sure there are no blank rows or columns breaking up the dataset and that your headers are clear and consistent. If your data is in a simple range, consider converting it to an official Excel table so Copilot can recognize columns by name. Saving the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint is also a good idea because it helps Copilot access the file fully and keeps everything synced. Open Excel for Microsoft 365 and look for the Copilot icon on the ribbon near the top right. Click it to open the Copilot pane. This is where you'll type what you want in everyday language. You can select your data first to give Copilot a clear focus, or simply refer to the table or columns by name in your request. The more specific you are, the better the results. Now you're ready to ask Copilot to analyze your data. Try prompts like, show trends in the sales column, find outliers in this data, summarize this table with key takeaways, give me a pivot table by region and product. Copilot will scan the dataset, then offer insights, summaries, and sometimes recommended visuals. If the first response isn't quite what you need, refine your prompt by adding details such as a date range, a specific column, or metrics like average and median. You can also ask it to explain how it reached a conclusion if you want more transparency. When you're ready to visualize, ask Copilot to create charts. For example, create a bar chart for total sales by quarter. Show a line chart of monthly revenue. Visualize the distribution of scores as a chart. Copilot typically chooses an appropriate chart type, and you can follow up with requests to change colors, add data labels, switch the axis, or sort categories. If you prefer a different chart type, just say so, and Copilot will adjust. After Copilot presents suggestions, review the preview carefully. If it looks good, choose to add it to a new sheet, or let Copilot place it on the current sheet where it makes sense. Remember, once inserted, it's a standard Excel object. You can move it, resize it, or fine-tune formatting using regular Excel tools. If something isn't right, tweak your prompt and try again. With a clean dataset, clear instructions, and a few quick refinements, Copilot makes analysis and chart creation fast, accurate, and surprisingly easy.